Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video is I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Shimano cassette sprocket HG200-9 speed. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get started. This is the Shimano cassette sprocket 9 speed, perfect for mountain bike dive trains. The HG200-9 speed cassette offers hyperglide shifting technology. There are 3 sets of this sprocket, the 1132, 1134, and this, the 1136 tip gear spec. Ang kagandahan dito is quick and easy assemble with cassette sprocket cap. And for the product specifications, this sprocket is series of Shimano Altus N2000 series. Compatible chain for this sprocket is HG9 speed or any 9-speed chain. For the combinations are 11, 13, 15, 17, 20, 23, 26, 30, and 1136 teeth. And for the price, 990 pesos lang. You can order it through Shopee. I just put the link in the description below. And that's the end of this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and also the subscribe button para ma-notify ka sa ating next upload. If you have questions and suggestions, comment down below. Thanks for watching!